All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors, this is the video to find a winner of our Aaron Rodgers authentic chrome autographed helmet. This is the main. We'll check the time, August 2nd, 9:21 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have August 2nd, 9:21 p.m. There is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Anthony. Spot 15 is our winner. So, Anthony, please get with me to discuss your Rodgers. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 2nd at 9:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.